Welcoming in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle this Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE with an eye-catching Varesine Blue exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with pixel LED headlights, 22-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels, keyless entry and privacy glass. Heading over to the back of the Range Rover Sport now, we're just going to take a look at some more of that gloss black badging and then open up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. Stepping inside the Range Rover Sport now, we're just going to take a look at those electric window controls as well as the driver's seat memory function, Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic roof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. We're then just going to come on up and take a look at that interactive driver's display. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive 13.1-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with Isofix and of course 2 rear cup holders. If you would like any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01 228 599 000.